happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Just a day, just another year, good in our eyes, you are the best. Gonna love you above the rest. Oh, oh. May the times always smile on you, may happiness always come your way. We're here to love you, we're here to celebrate your day. Oh yeah. We wish the best on what the best can be. All the best we wish for you, that all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. The years may come and the years may go, but that won't change what we already know. You're such a great friend, and in our hearts your love will grow. Count on us when you're feeling down. In times of trouble, we will hold your hand. You're such a great friend, and we will love you till the end.
Hi Kat, musta? Dugi na tayo nakita ba, no? Ah, anyways, gusto lang ako mag-greet. Happy birthday and God bless. Amping ka perme. Okay? Bye-bye.
Hello, Gertie. How are you? Then today is your birthday. So, hindi na ako magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Before anything else, happy birthday. So, I hope you're doing well. And by the way, these simple clips, I hope this will be a memorable one to you. I don't have gift, Gusto po kaya mo palit yung gift, padala na ako diyan pag mahala na. So, bawi na lang siguro minaw pag anak ka din. So, I hope pagbalik ni mo dito sa Pinas, you can get along with us the same thing sa gibuhat ni MJ. Yeah, we were so happy at that time. Laughter, a very memorable moment. Na istorya na ni MJ sa imo. Okay. Today is your birthday again. And this is your first day of your new 365 days of your life. So I wish you more health, good luck, more blessings to come. So if may blessings, I hope ihatagan mo. Wala. So hope to see you soon. Take good care of yourself. And that's all. Bye-bye.
To you, happy birthday. For you, Kat, I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday, wish you all the best. And sana pagpalain ka ni Lord. And yun lang, I love you and miss you.
Now, come here, friend. Come here. Hi, Kat. Still remember him? Prince. Kumusta na, Kat? Sayang, lapsa na rin. Kauna po unta. You know? Today is your birthday, so hoping that your birthday will be special as you are. Again, say happy birthday to Tikati.
Happy birthday, Ate Cathy.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Kat. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. good health, and more wealth. Thank you for being a good friend for almost 2 decades. Thank you for always being there for me every time I need someone to talk to. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the advices. Thank you, and always keep in mind, every time you need someone to talk, I'm always here for you. Thank you so much, and I love you. Miss you, Dai. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kat.
Hi, Kat. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in this life. And as I know, happily married naman ka. Wish lang nato na magkabigin na ka and create a big happy family. And say happy birthday.
Kat, happy birthday. And sana daghan pag maabot na birthday sa imong kinabuhi. Pag-enjoy lang sa imong birthday karon. And masaya ang tao kita, ikaw ako, Alex, Mary Joy. Nagpuyo karon sa imong birthday para mas pibo kay kita may kauban sa high school. But naman to sa lain states, so greet na lang ko sa imo through video. Kabulok ka nga si Alexander Raj, nagulat na siya. Lex, kung tanaw ka sa akong video karon, gi-mention ti ka, so salamat ka na. And nato ko gift sa imo, kaso di na ako mamili kay okay kwarta. So damn, 1800 baby. Himno na nato ni next year sa Vegas kung madayon ta. Once again, happy birthday, Kat. Greetings from California with love. Peace, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Kat. Good day, musta? Imong adlaw karon. It's your birthday. And want to greet you a happy birthday and wish you more blessings in your life and a happy family. That's all. Ingat. God bless.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Boss, ikaw na may ulo kog no?
Okay, ako muna. Kat, happy birthday in behalf of the whole family of Ribugas family. Woo! Yee! Happy birthday, Kat. Nga po kaya kong posisyon today, wala si Superman. Ang aking dalawang alaga. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Ayun, nga po kaya mong video, special kaya siya kaya ang likod na ni Kapling Membre. It's ka na, ay nalatawang, it's ka, itudlo na nako. It's ka na. Kaning kanina ako gustoon, ihatag ni Mary Joy. Kaning relo nga ako gustoon, ihatag ni Mary Joy. Kanina ako ang sinilas. At sinilas ang paginawa. Dayon, ay, itasi mo eh. Ayun.
Focus ako rin. Iya mo na mo.
Dayon, happy birthday. Dayon, gahulat minimo dre, ang bukod na ulit ka. Pasalon. Nakakabalo na ka na. Happy birthday dyan kayo. Balik-balik na happy birthday. Happy birthday man ni mo, Lusot po. Birthday rin yun. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Manakaw.
George. Happy birthday. Ikaw sa soy. Happy birthday, Kat.
Parang Diyos pa nakuha na. Happy birthday di ay. Miss you. Kabalo ko. Medyo lonely ka din, pero okay rin. Pero okay rin ako ang pagyapon. Diba? Diyan.
More babies to come. More babies, more blessings to come.
Happy na po babies.
Wish you all the best. Ora na comment sa Facebook.
Okay. So, ayos kayo mong gift mo, ano. Okay rin siya. Tagal mo naman si Jerome. Para 5 4 21 cup.
Birthday to you. Happy
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. What is your name? Mo na si GM Kara. So, happy birthday, Day. Kumusta naman ka tiya? We miss you, Kat. Say hello to ate. Tita. Hi, tita. Okay. Kat, happy birthday, Day. And, kablulo ka. Okay. Love you. We miss you, Kat. Cute daw. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Day.
Hello. Sorry, Joy. Ikaw po kabuhatag video. Happy birthday, Kat. Gulang na jud mo. Diyan mo ni Ate Mary Joy. Joke lang. Happy birthday. May this year be your best ever year. And hope your dreams and wishes comes true. And sana ang best time of your past be the worst of your future. Ako atong ka na. English to. Ito. Resulta po na. Amerikano naman ako kay istorya ko. Di naman kong taga-pagkadian. Happy birthday.
Hi, Bess! Happy birthday!
Hi, Kathy. Happy birthday.
Umagos ka na. Nahihiya siya. Sorry.
Wish you all the best.
Bess, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life and good health always. I know you almost have everything. You have a good life, the best husband in the world. You have your family and your friends with you. I don't have any more. What?
Know what I'm saying?
Maybe my only wish for you is for you to have your baby angel soon. Yeah, so I know you've been through a lot this year, so don't lose your hope. Just keep trying, okay? Alan, just keep trying, okay? I want to be a godmother very soon. And yeah, and best take care always. Don't stress yourself too much. I know you're very hard worker, so save some time for yourself. Happy birthday again. I love you so much and I miss you. Hope you can visit me here in Seattle soon so you can meet James.
James nga pala.
Bye, Bess. I love you. Take care. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday!